Homeowners, did you know that if you bought your home in 2015, you could be sitting on nearly $285,000 in equity? If you bought in the 90s, that number jumps to over $400,000. Here's how that hidden wealth can power your next move here in early 2026. Hello, I'm Frank Kenny with Living Los Angeles South Bay, and today we're going to talk about, is it a good time to sell now in early 2026? And your equity says absolutely yes. Hey, it's early 2026 and a lot of people are asking the same thing right now. Is it even a good time to sell? And the truth may come as a bit of a surprise. For many homeowners, the answer is a very strong yes. Why? Because one of the major factors working in your favor is your equity. Odds are, if you've lived in your home for a while, you know you have significant equity. But how much are we really talking about? The number might just change everything about your next move. Here's the hidden wealth of home ownership, and here's how it works. When you own a home, you build up something called equity. Each time you make a mortgage payment, you're chipping away at a loan balance, and that helps your home ownership stake in your home grow. And at the same time, home values typically rise, which drives up the overall value of your home. When you put those two things together, you're building wealth automatically, month after month, year after year. And that combo can add up to real dollars that can make a real difference in your move. That's especially true if you lived in your house for a while, which many homeowners have. According to Realtor.com, nearly half, at 45.2% of today's homeowners have lived in their home for more than 15 years, and 1 in 4 for over 25 years. If that's you, just imagine what 15 to 25 years of payments and steady appreciation have done to your bottom line. It's time you see how equity stacks up over time. What does that really mean in dollars? This chart uses research coming out of Realtor.com to show an estimate of how much equity homeowners have built up depending on when they bought. For each time frame, it takes the median priced home and uses it as a baseline example. The numbers are shocking too. These numbers are based on the national numbers. Southern California would be higher. So according to the study, if you bought the average price home in the mid-90s, you could be sitting on over $400,000 of equity now. The early 2000s, you could have over $330,000 even with owning during the housing crash. In 2015, even in that shorter 10-year time frame, many homeowners have already built nearly $285,000 in equity. Now, of course, your actual number is going to vary based on the purchase price, any work you've done on the house, the size of your original down payment, and more. But the point of it is, a lot of homeowners are sitting on hundreds of thousands of dollars in equity without even realizing it. And your equity could power your next move. And here's where this becomes really important. That equity can offset nearly every concern you have about moving right now. Are you worried about taking on a higher mortgage rate? Your equity could cover a significant down payment. And the more money you put down, the less you need to finance at today's rates. You could also buy your rate down. Or are you unsure if you can compete in today's market? Well, thanks to your equity, you may be able to buy your next house in cash. And an all-cash offer is something that's going to appeal to a lot of sellers because they don't have to worry about their buyer's financing falling through at the last second, which obviously can happen. The bottom line is that if you haven't had someone help you understand the value of your home this year, now is the perfect time to take another look. It doesn't mean you have to sell, but it does mean you'll at least know what you could be working with and how far that number can take you. If you want a custom professional equity assessment, contact me and we can discuss your personal circumstances and how the current real estate market may affect you. Okay, please like and subscribe so you're guaranteed to get all of our current helpful videos, and please feel free to share these useful videos with your family and friends. Now, this is Frank Kenny with Living in Los Angeles, and I will see you on the next video.